Shatadi is going and leaving me and going.
ओ भाई लगने वाली है आज मम्मी।
I was like, I just want sleep.
Yeah, you can come and watch me drink my morning coffee. Yeah.
Hi, what's up, you guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with Sabe. You and I, we hustle together. It is Purnima's birthday dinner time. But before we go for dinner, we are doing something super fun and super exciting. मेरी हालत currently बहुत खराब है, मेरा पेट बहुत दुख रहा है. But I want to do this because I've never done this ever in my life, and she's also, I think, most probably never done this ever in her life. तो हम बहुत मिनिमलिस्टिक ड्रेस है. मैंने सिर्फ लिपस्टिक लगाया है, कुछ भी नहीं. मैं शायद काजल और मस्कारा कैरी कर रही हूँ. आई एम नॉट कैरिंग टू मेनी बैग्स, नथिंग, जस्ट माई कार्ड होल्डर इन माई पॉकेट एंड माई फोन ऑफ कोर्स, एंड मेरी गाड़ी की चाबी तो होगी ही मेरे साथ. बेसिकली ज्यादा कुछ कर नहीं रहे बिकॉज हम जा रहे हैं पेंट बॉल खेलने के लिए. अभी दिस इज अ वेरी फन एडवेंचर. इट्स हैपनिंग इन पवई इन वन ऑफ दीज प्लेसेस कॉल्ड हेड रश. हमने गूगल करके फाइंड आउट किया है. मैंने इतने लोगों को देखा नहीं जाते हुए. पहले एक्चुअली मुंबई में स्मैश में हुआ करता था पेंट बॉल, दैट इज लोअर पैरेलल, एंड अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल यूज्ड टू गो that time, but that time also I never went. Like I never experienced paintball in general. Like मैं सब light off कर रही हूँ. और मैंने Big Bang Theory में इतना देखा है ना उन लोगों को paintball खेलते हुए that I feel like it's gonna be a fun thing to do. I really hope my stomach cooperates and doesn't give me any more aches and pains. Probably because मेरा रोजा था इसलिए, और पूरा दिन कुछ खाया नहीं इसलिए मरोड़े आ रही है. पता नहीं क्यों आ रही है. The new GoPro. This is not the new version. This is the GoPro Hero 9, but it is new to me. Petty packaging में, like you can see, I'll just carry it with me. If Tamanna and Purnima can figure it out on the drive and see how we want to use it, then probably I might be able to vlog with this. वरना फोन तो हमारा जिंदाबाद. चलो चलते हैं. To pick you up, you know, we have to detour so much because our route was some. अपने को पवई जाने का.
पवई में क्या है? कुछ भी नहीं है.
कुछ भी नहीं है. तू ज्यादा दिमाग मत लगा. तू GoPro फिगर आउट. इसलिए मैंने देखो एक्टिविटी दे दी पहली गाड़ी में बैठते के साथ. So you figure this and we'll figure the road. I've not done makeup, so if that could be like Memo, if you realize. Did you realize?
क्या कर रहे हो? पानी में जा रहे हैं क्या?
कुछ आया देखो गैस इतना. हम अभी ऑलरेडी चकाला के आगे पहुंच चुके हैं. आपने क्या सोचा? मैं तमन्ना को बोली तो शॉर्ट्स क्यों पहनी, तो वो इसको क्यों मिल गया.
मत दिखा वो शॉर्ट्स. दोनों ने शूज
नहीं दिखा, नहीं आया.
शूज पहने हैं, शॉर्ट्स. इसने पहले तो उसने बोला ये पैंट्स पहनना चाहिए था. मतलब वहाँ पे मच्छर है.
मच्छर है और मैंने मेकअप नहीं किया तो पवई लेके कंफर्म.
हाँ, दैट इज तो देयर.
लाइफ में तूने कभी ये नहीं किया है. मैंने भी नहीं किया है.
मैंने भी नहीं किया.
हमने जिंदगी में कभी भी ये नहीं किया है.
हम इतने साल से बाहर रह रहे हैं और हमने एक भी बार नहीं.
हम इतने साल मुंबई में रहे पर हमने ये एक भी बार नहीं किया. मैं इतना अब्रॉड घूमी हूँ बट मैंने नहीं किया.
I'm telling you some activity for sure. Friends पुणे से बॉम्बे आए, मैंने उनके साथ भी नहीं किया. ये क्या है bro?
Think okay?
It's some activity ऐसा कुछ.
Yeah, that's for sure.
और हमने तो शेयर भी नहीं किया.
Yeah, और अपनी कभी ये बारे में बात भी नहीं हुई है.
I don't remember if we ever spoke.
No,
about
we've
it.
never spoken about it. Nothing. It's absolutely just come into our heads and we are doing it.
It's a very popular thing.
No, मतलब yeah, मतलब
it's
sort
a
of.
thing.
It's a thing.
It's a thing.
I will tell you from what angle it's popular and you will love it because of that. Okay, I'll give you one more cue. It's related to one of the shows you and I love watching.
Friends. Is it related to Friends?
And we watch a lot more shows.
How I Met Your Mother. This is Us.
This is Us तूने और मैंने नहीं देखा है. एक ऐसा शो है जो है
हम लोग को
जो
पसंद है.
अपने को पसंद है, अपन बार बार देखते रहते हैं.
Big Bang Theory.
Yes.
7 minutes. Okay, Big Bang Theory में क्या करते हैं बताओ. Planetarium. हम planetarium जा रहे हैं. Laser tag. It is laser tag because वो लोग वो ही खेलते रहते हैं. Paintball, not laser tag. Oh, okay, it's paintball.
Come here. Bazinga.
Yes.
It's paintball. Oh, भाई लगने वाली है आज मम्मी. बराबर इसीलिए तुझे पैंट. Oh my god.
पर उसको लगेगी ना बैट से पहनी है तो.
बहुत लगेगा. हाँ तो ठीक है ना.
और लोग सूट देंगे और लोग जूते भी देंगे. All your aggression can be removed in this.
Let's go.
We are literally the only people in the full arcade. पूरा arcade हम लोगों ने तेरे लिए ही बुक किया है. एक बार वाह, जो करने का कर सकती. There's go karting, a lot of things. Oh my god, my balls look good.
तूने व्हाइट शूज पहने गट्स।
बट मेरे ये पुराने वाले वाइट शूज है। हम आ गए अभी, तमन्ना की फट रही है सूट। मैं तो मुंह पे मेकअप नहीं लगा के आई हूँ थिंकिंग कि लगेगा मुंह पे। तमन्ना ने चश्मा उतार दिया, उसको दिखने नहीं वाला। बेस्ट मारते जाएंगे उसको समझेगा नहीं किसने मारा। थोड़ी ना हो यार। Yes, we are dividing in teams. But सब मारेंगे हम लोग देखो। Ready?
पॉइंट नीचे रुकायचा और ये टिगर है, टिगर से उंगली दूर रखो। बाकी
ट्रिगर से
आपको
दूर
अंदर
रखो।
बताइए।
जब नहीं
हाथ से अंदर जाओ।
guns loaded. Ready? Purva? Ready. This is heavy, guys.
मैं अंदर जाओ।
चलो अंदर।
अपन टीम में साथ में चलो हमारी।
This is gonna be so much fun. Tamara, are you excited?
I'm so scared right now.
We have guns in our hands. पूरा फ्रस्ट्रेशन उतार दी, मजा आया। इमेजिन द वेलोसिटी जिससे वो आया। मुझे एक बार लगी, तमन्ना को एक बार लगी। तमन्ना तो बेचारी शॉर्ट्स पहन के थी, उसका सूज ही रहा है। कल तक तो डेफिनेटली सूज जाएगा। आई डोंट नो मेरा अंदर क्या हाल है, बट मेरी नई ब्लैक जीन्स है यार।
मैं इसलिए जीन्स पहन के ही नहीं आई।
अभी हम लोग गो कार्टिंग जा रहे हैं, गो कार्टिंग इज ऑल्सो ओपन। I'm selling my bedroom. I'm buying a go-kart. This is too much fun. Oh my god,
Tamanna, how was it?
so good. Too good,
It was amazing.
She's like, बस गया।
मारो हमको जिंदा मत छोड़ो सालो।
Oh बहन, she's given up.
She was giving up here also.
She was supposed to come here.
She was ready to give up here. She gave up in between of us.
उसको पिटना नहीं दिखा, सिर्फ छोड़ दिया सब पैर में एक्चुअली हो गया।
She तो बीच बैठ के she was ये तो चला नहीं आता।
उसको लेना।
मैं तो थक गई भाई।
अरे जो एक्सीडेंट मारा और मैं सीधा आगे मैं बोली गई मैच।
This place is too good, you guys. Like, it's Head Rush in Powai, and I also hadn't heard of it. The go-karting was so much fun. I'm so close to this being my next business venture. Somebody get me a plot, a go-kart, and a track, and we're doing this. And now Purnima is deciding her next dinner place. मदिरा एंड माइम से निकल के बेरूट बकलावा जरूरी है। Dude, this is the best stuff ever. Okay, like we trip on this baklava, and we've made them do the last order only for this baklava. It's that good. It's just that good.
I really loved it. He was like, मैंने नहीं बोला, जैसे हम लोगों ने बोला ना, one baklava, तो अच्छे से बोला, one baklava.
सिर्फ बकलावा के लिए
बेचारा बोल रहा हम लोग का बकलावा खा लो। It's worth it.
You'll do it?
Smashing it.
Why? I just spoon it.
अच्छा।
Can you just spoon it like normal
और
people?
कोई स्पूनिंग लाइफ में नहीं है। काय झालं रे बाळा? It's okay यार. सब चंगा? चंगा.
Changa.
The next day.
It's the next day and it's been particularly tough for me. बहुत ज़्यादा हालत ख़राब है. कल जब पेट दुखने लगा मुझे लगा ही कि आज मेरी हालत ख़राब होने वाली है, क्योंकि yesterday also मुझे मतलब मरोड़े आ रही थी. रोज़े के टाइम पे वो सब हो रहा था, इसलिए आज तो मैंने रोज़ा नहीं रखा है. इफ्तारी का टाइम हो गया, अभी मैंने थोड़ी हालत सुधारी है. पूरा दिन I was just lying in bed watching Netflix. कुछ काम नहीं किया, कुछ भी नहीं किया. I have a feeling it's the prawns, like maybe some prawn or some sushi. यही मुझे डर लगता है बाहर खाने का, कि अगर एक भी फ्रेश ना होना तो मेरा पेट तो बहुत जल्दी खराब हो जाता है. And fish acts really fast. Like fish can make you sick really fast if it's not fresh. So prawns especially. Anyway, I've had a lot of electrol and ORS and arrowroot का पानी and all of that. नहीं सुबह से मैंने कुछ खाया नहीं है, रोजा नहीं रख के भी सिर्फ हाइड्रेट ही कर रही हूँ अपने आप को, which is ideal. But अभी इफ्तार के लिए I had invited Anish and Shweta Di because Anish always used to keep saying that he wants to eat meat and rabdi for my हाँ यही वाला. मैंने यहाँ से मैं कॉफी बनवा रही हूँ. I just want to have coffee for iftar. I'm not gonna have anything else. I'll see, थोड़ा बहुत खा लूँगी. मम्मी ने पूरा स्प्रेड बनाया है अनीश के लिए, क्योंकि वो इतना रोते रहता है that he wants my mom's food and my mom makes like amazing food. Alhamdulillah, like it's like a full table at iftar. It's all my mom's delicacy. We'll go down for iftar. तो उसके बाद we'll have like a full spread and they can eat, enjoy. और फिर रात को मैं जा रही हूँ पूजा के घर because it's her birthday today. I really wish I could have done more for her. I wanted to and I still feel like, you know, it's her 25th birthday. I want to do something like out of the box amazing, but मेरी जान ही नहीं बची है.
Ring chicken. This is Shahi Sikh. This is chicken puffs.
हाँ
And this is your cutlets.
हाँ
Reshe cutlets. This is volcano, chicken volcano. And this is foil chicken.
Okay.
And this is the dip. And this is fruit salad.
And this is only for my father right now because बाकी के लोग अभी तक आए नहीं हैं. If this isn't Anish, I'm just gonna tell him to go.
Hi.
If this is not you, hello.
Hi.
Hi, Faju. What are you getting startled at?
Why are you already in your New York t-shirt? Thank you
This
so
is
much.
Keith Haring.
What?
He's a modern artist. He's a
Okay.
graffiti artist.
Please come inside. You don't have to stand at my door. Mama, this is Anish. Anish, this is my mother.
Hi, welcome.
Thank you.
Cake he bought cake for you. I'm guessing.
me?
You know my stomach.
Healthy cake.
It's healthy cake. In my house, nobody's healthy.
Grain-free, made with honey and jaggery.
Thank you.
Is there anything good in that?
Oh, it's damn good.
You smell so good. I can smell you till here. I love this dress. What took you so long?
First of all, the
Traffic, of course.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Alright, very nice.
Nice to meet you.
Yay.
Yes.
Now he's barking this time. Now he's like, why you're not giving me attention?
Oh, like that.
Yes.
Don't worry.
Where's Nirvana? Where did you leave her?
She was unwell, so that's why I took time because I have to put her, calm her down. I took the whole day. Hello.
Welcome.
She's so coming to meet you only. Which dish is
So
what?
you know the names now.
So now this is
all your
cutlets.
friends like branded t-shirts.
Impulse ka?
Yeah, and have all your content creator friends like design around the logo.
Oh.
Yeah, that
Why?
was a good promotion.
And you
Yeah.
were looking out for someone who can just take. There you go. See? Yeah.
क्योंकि मेरा खुद का धंधा नहीं है ना.
Yeah. I was like, what happened to doctor shades? You want to like give up and all? Yeah, this is Russian cutlets. This is Shahi Sikh. This is my mother's specialty. This is like the Starbucks chicken and mushroom pie that she recreates, and this is foil chicken. Please indulge. And that's volcano chicken. Everything is chicken.
And you said like my Starbucks mushroom.
Chicken and mushroom
chicken
pie.
and mushroom, and I was like, oh, she got from Starbucks.
No,
like,
no.
She recreates.
Yeah.
This is so good.
Faja's come for his boat.
Sorry.
I've got them to see the Sour Squad Studios. As if you know I'm selling the property. You know this is this. This is this, guys. This is where we.
Real estate thing
Yes.
happening. I'm like, that's all.
अब ये जा रहा है. अब तो हमारे पास आ गए sellers. Sorry, you're too late.
Oh, I like this man.
This I got made from my carpenter. I take a lot of pride that in 7,000 I got this made.
This is for 7,000.
Yeah.
You wouldn't know it.
And I didn't even negotiate.
This Bombay.
Shweta is going and leaving me and going. This I say where every creator leaves, you know. At least Anish, like I will see. This is so nice to see
I
you.
know.
Thank you so much for coming
Oh,
today.
no, no,
also.
no.
Honestly, I mean it. Like,
It's been a pleasure.
I didn't think you'd come today because like.
How can I not? You invited me, and
Hello.
I'm going to miss out on such good food. Like,
Anisha, we will keep seeing.
हाँ जरा
Hopefully.
गाड़ी लाना ना.
Gadi la. Go. With your Statue of Liberty.
bye, my
This is
love.
Keith
But-
Haring. He's a famous artist.
Okay, I will check it out. He's saying this since he's entered and now he's saying it as he
Like, why
leaves.
put your New York here?
Anish and Shweta they just left. I'm having arrowroot ka pani because मेरा पेट दुख रहा है तो मेरी मॉम ने मेरे लिए और एक ग्लास बनाया है. This is like cooling for the stomach and honestly दोपहर को I drank this and उसके बाद मुझे इतना अच्छा लग रहा था कि I could like eat iftar also because all day I had not eaten anything. Then iftar में also I didn't eat like the super fried items, only the grilled wala chicken I ate. But I'm so glad they came and they enjoyed the food. Anish was totally enjoying his food. And can I just say how much I love Shweta Di? Like she's like the fact that I call her Shweta Di should only say that she's just so warm. And like I'm so upset that she doesn't stay in Bombay and I can just go and meet her as often as I can meet Anish or any other creator friend of mine who stays in Bombay or friend of mine. मुझे ना हमेशा बड़े लोगों के साथ ज़्यादा जमती है. Vibe with people who are older to me. I just feel like मेरी उनके साथ ज़्यादा like the conversations that we have are so much better and I feel so like it was so comfortable to be around Shweta Di and Anish today, and at the end of the day that is what matters. Like ऐसे लोग जिनको मैं घर ला सकूँ and they can just chill and be comfy and feel at home, and it was damn nice. Like very nice. Like Anish and Shweta Di also met for the first time today in person and it was very comfortable, nice. The only thing I feel very shitty about right now is that I missed Pooja's birthday. Like I completely could not meet her on her birthday and I really wanted to. Like yesterday night also I told, like I was in Powai and I told Purnama and Tamanna like you all can go back and like in a cab and I can go meet her. The whole point was कि आज रात को उसका surprise होने वाला था तो कल मैं जाती भी उसको मिलती भी. So her house is also under construction. I couldn't do anything for her. I did not like have anything planned as such. आज का plan था. आज we had like decoration put up in a restaurant and everything and it was going to be a nice surprise and change for her, a change of this, but I didn't make it. Like I knew iftar party है तो I thought like I would be able to be done from there and leave, but क्योंकि मेरी तबीयत भी खराब थी ना, मेरे में जान नहीं थी to travel all the way till Thane, so I was not even having the this कि I'll tell them like you know maybe we should end this and I should go there because honestly मेरे में जान नहीं. मैंने आज इफ्तार में भी इतना नहीं खाया. Like I try to push my body, which is I know like I should put my health first. Like ये मेरे जिगर के टुकड़े हैं, especially like Purnima and Pooja मेरे जिगर के टुकड़े, मेरे सारे ही friends मेरे जिगर के टुकड़े. Like I owe a lot of my career to Pooja. Like I always tell her this, like पूजा जैसा तो कोई नहीं है. माशाल्लाह सब लोग टच छोड़ करो दुनिया में, ये पूजा जैसा तो कोई भी नहीं है. कल लकीली उसको छुट्टी है. मैडम जहाँ काम करती है ना, लाइक वर्किंग संडेज ऑल्सो समटाइम्स, बाप रे. एंड आई फील फॉर हर, सो आई थिंक व्हाट आई हैव प्लान फॉर हर टुमारो बिकॉज शी हैज अ लीव लकीली. आई एम गोना मीट हर टुमारो, आई एम गोना स्पेंड टाइम विद हर एंड आई बुक्ड अस something tomorrow that I think she will really appreciate and like. And कल रात को हम लोग वीडियो कॉल पे थे, बातें कर रहे थे and she's like a little moody and all, so I think she's gonna like it. Tomorrow her experience is going to be the perfect getaway in 2 hours that she will need hopefully. So
The next day.
Hello my loves, it's the next day और मैं निकल चुकी हूँ पूजा को पिकअप करने के लिए. I have just given her a memo to wear easy comfortable clothes. तो मैंने भी कल वाला ही ड्रेस पहन लिया क्योंकि मैंने घर में ही पहना था, तो it's technically not गंदा because मैं घर में से कहीं गई नहीं ये ड्रेस पहन के, तो उसी में मैंने और ज्यादा परफ्यूम लगा के I am re-wearing it because honestly we were sitting in AC and I was not sweating. I'm not unhygienic like that. It's just a clean fresh summery dress that I'm really liking and enjoying. Bandra Hill Road से पिकअप किया मैंने ये ड्रेस और पूजा को मैंने सिर्फ एक मेमो दिया है to come to Palladium Mall. I am actually taking her for a spa experience. I think she definitely deserves it because madam इतना overworked रहती है हमेशा and I don't think there could be a better gift than this for her because it'll really relax her. So I really hope she enjoys and I really hope the spa experience is good. I actually read all the reviews. मतलब मैंने सारे reviews सारे मुंबई के spas के इतने check करने के बाद I've come down to booking this one. It's the L'Occitane Spa and L'Occitane is a skincare company that I'm very familiar with. I'm hoping for like a super luxury experience overall. तो देखते हैं अभी कैसा होगा. It is in Lower Parel. We'll chill at the mall and then 7 बजे के spa appointment पे I'll directly take her there. Probably have a light dinner after that and have a nice birthday celebration for her. Wow, what a light over here. Look at this lighting. Oh, see this cute hairstyle Nehadi did for me. I usually don't do hairstyles because I suck at it. I don't know how to do them. This is similar to what Jovi was doing that day. It looked so cute. That was like thicker. बहुत cute लग रहा है. वैसे मेरे बाल बहुत चंपू है. But I decided not to wash it because spa के बाद of course I will need like a hair wash. I don't know if a head massage is included in the spa. Actually, I have not selected which one we want to do. उधर जाके I'm gonna like select from the menu that they give us. तो मैंने 90 minute वाला book करके रखा है timing. अब कौन सा करना है वो हम वहाँ जाके decide करेंगे. Okay, so there was like mad traffic. You can see it's 5:56 p.m. over here. दिख रहा है 5:57 हो रहा है. मतलब 6 बज गए. It took us that long to freaking reach Lower Parel. पूजा तो बहुत दूर है. अभी भी बहुत traffic था. उसकी Uber ने उसको ditch की. So I told her instead of Palladium Mall, just come to Kamla Mills. We can sit at a cafe here till it's time for our appointment and then we can leave. So hoping to just park here near a cafe and chill till she comes. Maybe we'll grab a coffee or something. Just here at Poetry, having a quick sandwich, avocado toast and my iced Americano, and Pooja is still at the parade station. Look who we have here, who has finally come. After 2 hours on the road, look, I booked the entire Poetry and cheesecake for you. Happy birthday! How was your birthday?
Just nice. The evening was nice. The afternoon I was home early.
Do you have a slight idea of what we are up to?
No, I just like got up and came.
I gave her the memo to dress down.
I had planned to wear this irrespective of whatever it was going to be. I had one dress for yesterday, the pink wala, and I had this for today.
The pink one is an old dress.
Yeah, it was the one I wore for the launch party. I did not
Oh,
shop for the birthday.
right. You not shop for your birthday?
Isko time tha.
Chal, let's do some shopping. Okay, now do you have like more idea? No? We are coming like a dingy parking lot to park my car on a dead end road. So this is it. This is your birthday plan, Pooja. This,
On the road.
yeah, construction. I thought you would like to get down and dirty with me. Please come here. Okay, we're here. You excited? Thank you. Ooh, I like it. When I was telling Pooja, Purnima wants to go to Imagica and do this and adventure sports. Pooja was like, too much work, like I can't do this. So this is the opposite of Imagica.
Even like at office when people were asking me what are your plans, and I was like, I just want sleep.
Now you can sleep. 90 minutes, just go to sleep. So we are going for this one. That is the relaxing Armacology massage with Swedish acupressure and Balinese, right? Yeah.
Acupressure, of course, there's some pressure points.
We are so overworked. This is too relaxing for us. This audio is like giving us anxiety, more anxiety. Back to my pain. This is the famous jhinga that I've bought. Made Pooja come to eat. I ate it on my birthday and it's delicious and I think you should eat it too. I really hope you like it.
Several days later.
That was all for this vlog, you guys. I really hope you all enjoyed. Pooja really liked her surprise. I'm actually filming this a couple of days after because my days have been very busy. मैं outro film करना ही भूल गई. But हमारा spa इतना relaxing था ना. Honestly, जब तुम spa में हो and when they are like doing the massage on you, your brain, like both Pooja and I discussed this after the spa, के brain shut off ही नहीं होता है यार. हमारे brain इतने hyper active है कि दिमाग में कुछ ना कुछ चलते ही रहता है. Like your brain can't shut off. but the amount of relaxation my muscles got, and both our muscles got, when we got home we just passed out. Like मुझे लगा घर आने के बाद also I'll meet a couple of friends because it was Saturday or Sunday night. I think weekend ही था. हाँ Saturday night था, तो I told my friends I'll meet them. But while I was driving back home only, मुझे इतनी मतलब घेतली आ रही थी. I was like मैं घर जाके सो रही हूँ. Like, and the sleep I got after that, oh my god, it was amazing. So the spa was definitely good. मैं सारी जो मैंने bookings की है उनके links description में डाल दूंगी, जगहों के नाम डाल दूंगी, तो आपको reference मिल जाएगा. कुछ भी sponsored नहीं है, तो you can decide if you want to go. My experience at both Hedrush and L'Occitane, the spa was really good for both my friends. I think both of them thoroughly enjoyed themselves at each of the places. L'Occitane spa का एक चीज है कि उधर steam नहीं है. If you go to like a 5-star hotel का spa ना, तो उधर स्टीम रूम अलग होता है. सो दे जस्ट लाइक आफ्टर द स्पा अलाउ यू एंड गिव यू एक्सेस टू द स्टीम रूम, सो यू कैन हैव स्टीम एंड लीव इफ यू वांट टू डू स्टीम सौना. इधर हर एक थेरेपी रूम हैड स्टीम, सो यू हैव टू बुक एक्स्ट्रा 30 minutes एंड पे एक्स्ट्रा फॉर द स्टीम रूम, विच दे डिड नॉट इन्फॉर्म मी व्हाइल बुकिंग. ऑफ कोर्स आई डिड नॉट नो, मैंने बुक नहीं किया था एक्स्ट्रा स्टीम, एंड आई डोंट थिंक इट्स लाइक अननेसेसरी. यू डोंट नीड द एक्स्ट्रा थिंग, और अगर तुमको स्टीम के लिए ही करना है तो देन आई डोंट थिंक इट्स फॉर यू. बट या एनीवे, बिफोर आई साइन आउट आई जस्ट वांटेड टू गिव अ क्विक रिमाइंडर कि ईद आ रही है और रमजान के महीने में ऑल द इम्पल्स कॉफीज का सेल्स में से 10% प्रोसीड्स आर गोइंग टू आश्रय एनजीओ. मैंने ये एनजीओ इसलिए सिलेक्ट किया है बिकॉज दे डू अ लॉट ऑफ गुडविल फॉर डिफरेंट कॉजेज. तो अगर आप कोई भी कॉज में बिलीव करते हैं, यू विल बी एबल टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ समथिंग बिगर. साथ में हम सब मिलके वी कैन मेक अ बिग डिफरेंस. सो आई डेफिनेटली थिंक इफ यू वांट to shop on Impulse Coffees, no time like now. Honestly, the coffees are really good, amazing. All the response we've received on our product has just blown our minds, and that's the reason we wanted to do something to make a difference on a bigger scale. Ramzan is one of the months that is very close to my heart. I try to make as much contribution personally on my side as possible, so I just wanted y'all to be a part of it and the brand to also be a part of something bigger. तो Impulse Coffees के सारे links हमेशा मेरे description box में होते हैं. If you want to save some money also, the combos are the best way to go for, because you save a lot of money while buying them. You can try 2 of our flavors that way. अगर आपको restock भी करना है, no time like now. और अगर ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. For today's video, the Sarah Score shout out goes to Shaiba, Gulrukh, Ajmal. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. If you want to be a part of next video Sarah Score shout out, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, bell icon right next to it, and also leave a comment down below saying #Sarah Squad, and you get a chance to be a part of my next video Sarah Squad shout out. I will see you guys very soon in another video. Bye guys, love you. Mwah.